The Republic of Chile is quite a long and narrow country that stretches along the western edge of South America, with the Great Pacific Ocean on one side and the Andes Mountains on the other. Interestingly, the country is the southernmost state in the world while also being the closest one to Antarctica. With a population of 17.5 million and an area of 756,102 square kilometers, the country boasts a unique array of natural landscapes, vibrant cultural traditions, and historical landmarks. From its jaw-dropping deserts in the north to its icy glaciers in the south, Chile is a country that amazes tourists from all over the world with its wonders. In this video, we'll look into 10 of the most iconic and fascinating wonders of Chile, exploring their history, cultural significance, and importance to the nation and the world. Number 1. Atacama Desert. This 1,600 kilometers long strip of land is probably the driest non-polar desert in the world. Located on the Pacific coast in North Chile, the Atacama Desert has earned a reputation as one of the planet's most extreme environments, with some of its areas receiving no measurable rainfall for centuries. Now today, the desert has scarce human presence, but historically indigenous groups such as the Atacameños adapted to this harsh climate, relying on limited water sources and innovative farming techniques. From a cultural point of view, Atacama is deeply connected to indigenous spirituality, and many ancient petroglyphs, geoglyphs, and archaeological sites are found all over the desert, offering a glimpse into pre-Columbian cultures. Apart from this, the region has a rich history of Inca and Spanish empires that flourished in the 15th and 16th centuries. Specifically, the town of San Pedro de Atacama serves as a cultural hub, where visitors can explore local traditions, cuisine, and festivals. In addition to its cultural and historical importance, the desert is a paradise for astronomers because of its clear skies and almost no light. The region hosts world-class observations like ALMA, advancing our understanding of the cosmos. Additionally, its unique landscapes such as the Moon Valley and Salt Flats attract adventurers and scientists from all over the world. Number 2. Torres del Paine National Park. Located in southern Chilean Patagonia, Torres del Paine National Park is a UNESCO biosphere reserve consisting of towering granite peaks, mesmerizing lakes, and beautiful glaciers. The park was established in 1959 and is named after the iconic 3 vertical rock formations known as the Torres. Now, in addition to being an important bioreserve, the Torres National Park holds cultural and historical importance as it has been a home to indigenous Tehuelche people for thousands of years. Their rock art and oral histories highlight the cultural richness of the region and offer a look into the way that Tehuelche people live. Today, the park has become a symbol of Chilean tourism, and with getting over 250,000 tourists every year. Over the time, it has become one of the most popular trekking destinations in the world, where visitors can explore its famous W Trek and admire its diverse flora and fauna that includes animals like guanaco, rheas, deer, and wild horses. Number 3. Easter Island, Rapa Nui. Easter Island is undoubtedly one of the world's most remote inhabited islands. It lies almost 3,500 kilometers off Chile's coast, and even to this day, most of its history remains a mystery. One thing that you'll see in abundance on the island are the iconic Maui statues built by the Rapa Nui people that, according to many historians, represent ancestral spirits. Some of these monolithic sculptures weigh over 80 tons and are believed to be carved from volcanic rock between 1250 and 1500 CE. Even today, the Rapa Nui culture is alive through its language, music, and annual Tapari festival, which celebrates local traditions. UNESCO declared Easter Island a World Heritage Site, recognizing its archaeological significance and a vast history that has many secrets waiting to be revealed. Number 4. Valle de Elqui. Located in the Cocombio region, about 400 kilometers off Santiago, Valle de Elqui is famous for its vineyards, starry skies, and an overall spiritual energy. The vineyards in the valley extend from the Pacific Ocean in the west to the Andes Mountains in the east, with some of them present as high as 200 meters above the sea level. The region has an extensive history of agriculture, especially in cultivating grapes for pisco, which also happens to be Chile's national spirit. Because of its unparalleled beauty and mesmerizing nature, the valley has inspired poets like Gabriel Mistral, who's Chile's first Nobel laureate and was born nearby. Today, because of its clear skies and clean atmosphere, the valley is a hub for astrotourism, with several observatories offering unparalleled stargazing experiences. Number 5. Chiloé Archipelago. The Chile archipelago is basically a group of islands lying off the coast of Chile in the Los Lagos region. These islands are known for their terrain that includes forests, wetlands, mountains, and even pastures and cultivated fields. Now, in addition to the beautiful nature, another thing that makes the Chile archipelago a distinct location is its amazing mythology, mouth-watering cuisine, and unique wooden architecture. In colonial times, the area served as an important Spanish town. That's why there's an abundance of beautiful wooden churches that reflect a fusion of European Jesuit influence and indigenous woodworking traditions. Because of a rich history, there are a number of popular myths and legends like tales of the ghost ship, Kalushi, and the forest culture, Traku, that have today become a part of the identity of the islands. Apart from its traditional cuisine, including Curanto, further makes Chile a must-visit tourist destination. Number 6. Lake District. Chile's Lake District spans from Temuco to Puerto Montt and is characterized by glacial lakes, active volcanoes, and lush green forests. According to the historians, this region came into being because of some glacial activity during the last ice age, which resulted in breathtaking landscapes. Now, the Lake District has been home to the Mapuche people, the largest indigenous group in Chile, for centuries, and their rich traditions, language, and resistance against colonization are vital aspects of Chilean history. Today, this part of the country is a center for adventure tourism with activities like hiking, skiing, and kayaking, and its fertile lands also support agricultural activities, contributing significantly to Chile's economy. Number 7. Santiago de Chile. Now, Chile is not all nature, mountains, or islands. One of the most popular and extensively visited parts of the country is Santiago, the capital of Chile, which was founded in 1541 by Spanish conquistador Pedro de Valdivia. Today, with a population of 7 million people, it has grown into a modern metropolis with towering skyscrapers, clubs, restaurants, and golf courses, while still retaining historical landmarks like Plaza de Armas and La Moneda Palace. Now, the city is the focal point of Chile's cultural scene, with numerous museums, theaters, and art galleries. The Bella Vista neighborhood and Central Market showcase Santiago's artistic and culinary diversity, while the city also features a 300-meter-high Gran Torre, which, by the way, is South America's tallest building. Number 8. Velarica Volcano. If you go about 700 kilometers south of Santiago, you'll reach Velarica, one of Chile's most active volcanoes and a significant site for both indigenous Mapuche rituals and modern tourism. With an elevation of 2,860 meters, the volcano is also known as Rucapilan, or House of the Spirit in Mapuche cosmology. Velarica's frequent eruptions and glacial runoffs have shaped local landscapes, creating fertile soils and supporting biodiversity, while its outdoor activities attract adventure seekers worldwide. In addition to sightseeing, the volcano is popular for climbing with guided hikes to the crater from the town of Pucón. Helicopter overflights have also been available since 2007, and in the winter tourists can visit a ski resort that operates on the northern slopes. Number 9. Marble Caves. The Marble Caves, located on Lake General Carrera in southern Chile, are a series of stunning geological formations carved by water over millennia. Their spectacular blue and green color reflected in the lake make them a surreal sight, and because of its beauty and a general curiosity, the site is visited by cave explorers from all over the world. The water around these beautiful cave formations is home to plenty of aquatic life, including trout and salmon, that make the whole scene even more beautiful. Number 10. Laguana San Rafael and San Rafael Glacier. Laguana San Rafael is a spectacular glacial lake in the Aysén region, fed by the San Rafael Glacier. This area was formed during the last ice age and remains a dynamic example of glacial activity. For indigenous groups, these glaciers symbolizes purity and connection to nature. With an area over 760 square kilometers, this region is part of the larger northern Patagonian ice field, which is a critical freshwater reserve. To give you an idea about the importance of this wonder, this glacier contains ice that's more than 30,000 years old, making it an important location for both tourist attraction and a site for scientific research.